but we had no hardcore analytics that would say older people spend X, hipsters spend Y. This is how many older people live within this radius. This is how many hipsters live in this radius. This is how often they'll come. Yeah, I would love all that. I mean, that's money.
Go Code Colorado changes the game because it marries the public and private sector with information and data, and we all know that's driving business everywhere. People who understand how to put that data together are going to be the ones that are going to be driving us in the future.
For a small business to be able to sustain, to grow, to be in the game, it's an expectation that you use data in order to be competitive in this field. If we had a system that could assess the capabilities of a small business, that would be extremely helpful.
I would want to know, where do our existing customers come from? How much money do they have? How often do they eat out? Why do they eat out? When do they eat out? At the first Blue Star, we were always busy in these totally random days there. I mean, it'd be a Tuesday night and we'd get drilled. Then it'd be a Thursday night and we'd get drilled. We were literally putting these numbers up on a chart, and one of our lead waiters, Matt Reed, walks up to me. He's got a drink in his hand. He's looking at it. He's like, oh, that's easy. Those are federal payroll days.
There's certain general data that can be very helpful, is knowing how many stores there are in a given region, knowing the population of a particular region, knowing the growth rate of a certain county in Colorado. We use a lot of store level data. We were able to identify exactly which items they were not carrying that they should have been. We were able to overlay that data along with what each of these items can sell in any given week or month. And putting those numbers together, we were able to get an absolute quantity of dollars that was available to us in the coming year.
Data really drives decisions, and especially in something as large as a merger and acquisition, data was really key for us to be able to understand where we were going to land when we merged. If we were able to take macroeconomic conditions and we were able to take cultural information and social media information about companies and people, and just gather all of the data into one big data set and then mine that, it would be transformational for the industry.
Strong open data environment is both a practical opportunity for businesses, but it's also a signal that Colorado is open for business.